Unknown facts about calibration in laboratory glassware. What most labs never realize, but every scientist should know. Why this matters. Most lab results fail not because of chemicals, but because of incorrect calibration and misunderstood volumetric tolerances. Fact 1. Calibration is engineering, not printing. Calibration accounts for water density, glass expansion, temperature correction, gravimetric calculations. It's precision physics, not just markings. Fact 2. 60% of errors come from wrong meniscus reading. Even Class A accuracy fails if the user reads the meniscus 1 millimeter too high or low. The single mistake causes more error than the entire ISO tolerance. Fact 3. 100 milliliters is not universal. A 100 milliliter flask differs by region. ISTM, ISO, USB, DIN, JIS. Manufacturers must produce multiple geometries for the same volume. Fact 4. Class A is not Class AS. Class A, high accuracy. Class AS, high accuracy plus controlled drain time for faster tests, used heavily in pharma QC. Fact 5. Temperature affects volume more than you think. A 100 milliliter flask becomes approximately 100.03 milliliters at 35 degrees Celsius due to thermal expansion. Yet users still read at the line. Temperature equals silent error maker. Fact 6. Calibration is done using water, not chemicals. Pure DI water plus gravimetric balances provide most accurate volume calculation. Fact 7. TC versus TD. Most users don't know this. TC, to contain, holds exact volume, flasks, cylinders. TD, to deliver, delivers exact volume accounting for residue. Pipettes, burettes. Pipettes are calibrated assuming some liquid stays inside. Fact 8. Tolerance still exists, even for Class A. A 100 milliliter flask, ISO, can legally be 99.96 milliliters to 100.04 milliliters. Class A is perfect within global standard limits. Fact 9. Amber markings last much longer. Amber inks fuse deeper into glass, resist detergents and autoclaves, don't fade over years. Fact 10. Wall thickness equals calibration accuracy. Even 0.05 millimeters variation in glass wall changes volume. Calibration accuracy begins in glass forming, not calibration room. Fact 11. Pipette calibration includes drain time. A pipette can be volumetrically correct, but fail calibration if the liquid drains too fast or too slow. Precision is a culture. Great calibration is not a process. It's a mindset of accuracy, discipline, and craftsmanship. Glasgow, leading the way in calibration and precision glassware.